Hi, my name is Maya. I'm a drama student at Tisch, and I like to play the ukulele on the side. Moon river, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. I've been playing the ukulele for, I think, about 4 years. You heartbreaker. I wanted to learn the ukulele because all of my friends are very musical, and I consider myself musical, but not in the traditional sense. So I kind of wanted to join in, so I taught myself how to play the ukulele just online. Some of my favorite songs to play on the ukulele are Moon River, of course. I love the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's. And then, I don't know, I play a lot of songs by Ingrid Michaelson, Sarah Bareilles, all of that. I'm not super proficient in the ukulele, so it's more simple songs I stick to. Drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows. Yeah, I think being musical as an actor is really important. I definitely consider myself an actor who sings and plays instruments. Acting is what I do first and foremost, but I think part of the career is being able to do it all and being open to try it all. So music is definitely a big part of that. And me.